It's July 12th, Wednesday. It's July 12th, Wednesday. Having a good time. I did kind of rush to get here. I'm in Newport News, Virginia, which is where my ship's reunion is going to happen. Having a good time. I did kind of rush to get here. I'm in Newport News, Virginia, which is where my ship's reunion is going to happen. And I decided I wanted to make a little experiment with my two cameras. I have a Canon and I have the GoPro. I have them both working right now. I wanted to see if I could which of them is better. And I decided I wanted to make a little experiment with my two cameras. I have a Canon and I have the GoPro. I have them both working right now. I wanted to see if I could which of them is better. I did a short video with both of them a few minutes ago and put them online, and I had a little difficulty with the Canon. It was foggy or cloudy for some reason, and I found out that the GoPro, you can't hear what I'm saying. Now, I have both of them on my picnic table, and they're both about the same distance away from me. But again, I wanted to do this video so that I could experiment and see which one of these two video devices I want to begin to use more often. I'm leaning towards the Canon. When I did the experiment a few minutes ago and I deleted it all already, I found out that the audio on the Canon in this configuration was a lot better than the audio on the GoPro. The picture I think is probably better as well. It's I'm guessing 6 to 8 feet away from these cameras, and I'm thinking that you know, for something that's from 6 to 8 feet away, that Canon is fine. The problem I have with the Canon is when I carry it and I'm using the strap for the hand, I move it around too much, and I jumble the picture up too much and stuff like that. So I'm going to try to keep the camera, the Canon, on some kind of a tripod or a device that I can hold it, and maybe it'll be a little more steady if I hold it. The problem I have to really concentrate on when I'm using it is because it's not a wide-angle lens like the GoPro. I get it pointing in the right direction. I enjoy this park. This is a nice park. Here it is about 3:15 in the afternoon, and I'm outside here right now. I came out to do this. I'm not really perspiring. It's supposed to be the hottest part of the day. The weather forecaster for around this area on television was talking about we're going to be up in the 100 digits, 100 degree heat index. I don't feel as though that's the case. It doesn't feel like 100 plus degrees here for me right now. Beginning to perspire a little bit, but anyway, I want to get these both videos onto the computer and onto Movie Maker. I'm going to try to swap sections so that I have a section of Canon and then a section of GoPro, a section of Canon, section of GoPro, at least for a couple of the times for that. Again, I've had both of these cameras on since I started this video right now, and I'm really curious to see how that goes. Breeze feels